Your phone lights up. Suspicious charge. Call now. The number looks like your bank, and the person answering already knows your name. 10 minutes later, that calm fraud specialist is telling you to move your savings. The warning feels protective, and that is exactly why it works. Here are 10 online scams, the clearest warning sign in each and the safest first move. First, the scam that can borrow a loved one's voice. The caller sounds terrified. "Grandpa, I've been arrested. Please help me, and don't tell Mom." Every sentence is designed to prevent calm thinking. Artificial intelligence can imitate a relative from a short audio sample. So recognizing the voice is no longer enough to prove who is calling.
Hang up and call your relative using a number you already have. A genuine emergency will survive the 2 minutes required to verify it. A caller claims criminals have entered your bank account. Caller ID may even display a familiar name, but caller ID can be falsified. Then the caller offers a solution: transfer everything into a protected account. But a bank will not create safety by asking you to surrender control. End the call. Contact your bank through its official app or the number printed on your card. Never use the caller's number or link. A warning suddenly fills your computer. Virus detected. Do not shut down. Loud sounds and flashing graphics make a fake problem feel immediate.
The number connects to a fake technician who requests remote access. Once connected, that stranger may see files, passwords, or financial accounts. Do not call, click, or install anything. Close the browser or restart the computer, then contact support through the company's official website. A caller says you missed jury duty, owe taxes, or face arrest. A badge number and official language make the threat sound convincing. The payment method usually reveals the lie. Government agencies do not demand gift cards, cryptocurrency, cash, or an immediate wire transfer to prevent arrest. Stop and contact the agency independently. Never use information supplied by the threat. And next, one scam asks you to share a completely real code. A text says your package cannot be delivered until you update your address or pay a small redelivery charge. The timing often feels believable. The link opens a convincing copy of a delivery website. The tiny fee is bait. The real target is your card and personal information. Do not touch the message link. Open the carrier's official app or type its address yourself, then check the tracking number there. Someone claiming to be your bank, a buyer, or technical support says, "I sent you a code. Read it back to me." Your password is one lock. The verification code is the second. A criminal who already has the first may need only that code. Never share an unexpected code. Open the official account yourself, change the password, review recent activity, and contact the company if anything looks unfamiliar. The relationship may begin on a dating app, social media, or a wrong number text. The stranger quickly becomes attentive, affectionate, and constantly available. But every meeting is postponed. Then comes a medical emergency, travel problem, frozen account, or investment opportunity requiring your money. Do not send money to an online love interest you have not met. Talk to someone you trust and search the profile photograph independently. A stranger invites you into a private investment group. Everyone appears to be making easy profits, and screenshots show balances rising every day. The website may show impressive returns, but when you withdraw, a new tax, service charge, or security deposit suddenly becomes required. Guaranteed returns and little risk are major warnings. Verify the company independently and never invest through a link sent by someone you recently met. A social media advertisement offers a famous product at an unbelievable discount. The store looks polished, and a countdown clock pressures you to buy now. The seller may send a cheap imitation, steal your payment information, or disappear completely. Perfect reviews are not proof, because reviews can also be fabricated. Search the seller's name and website with words like complaint or scam. Check contact details, return terms, and use a credit card when possible. A call, email, or letter announces that you won cash, a vacation, or a valuable prize, even though you may not remember entering anything. Then you must pay taxes, processing charges, shipping, or customs fees before receiving it. The requested amount may begin small and repeatedly increase. A legitimate prize does not require payment to claim it. Never provide bank information or buy gift cards to release something you supposedly won. These scams wear different costumes, but most use the same pressure points: urgency, fear, secrecy, borrowed authority, and unusual payment methods. When an unexpected message involves money, stop. Verify it through an app, card, statement, or website you found yourself, and tell someone you trust. If you already paid, contact the bank or payment provider immediately. Secure affected accounts, save the evidence, and report it. Acting quickly may limit further damage. Before you go, remember these 10 golden rules. They apply to nearly every scam you have just seen. Never share your bank PIN, credit card security code, password, or one-time verification code. A legitimate employee will never need you to read these aloud or give you this. Never allow someone to control your computer or phone remotely unless you personally contacted a trusted company and verified exactly who you were speaking with. Never move your money into a so-called safe or protected account. A real bank will not ask you to transfer your savings to protect them. Never pay an unexpected caller with gift cards, cryptocurrency, cash, or a wire transfer. These payment methods are difficult to reverse and are commonly demanded by scammers. Never click a link in an unexpected delivery text, bank warning, prize message, or security alert. Open the official app or type the website address yourself. Never trust a caller simply because you recognize the voice, name, phone number, or organization. Voices and caller ID can both be copied. Never send money to an online romantic interest you have not met and verified in person, especially when every planned meeting is suddenly canceled. Never invest through a link, private group, or message sent by someone you recently met online. Guaranteed profits and risk-free returns do not exist. Never pay a fee to receive a prize, inheritance, refund, or unexpected financial reward. Real prizes do not require gift cards or advance payments. Never let urgency, fear, or secrecy force you to act alone. Stop, verify the story independently, and speak to someone you trust before sending money or information. And one final reminder: never be ashamed to ask for help, even if you already clicked, shared information, or sent money. Scammers are professionals at creating fear and confusion. Being deceived does not mean you were foolish, and there is nothing to be ashamed of. Ask for help immediately. The sooner you speak up, the better the chance of protecting your accounts, limiting the damage, and helping someone else avoid the same scam.